Here's how to easily install the Rubbermaid Commercial Products Recyclable Passive Air Care Solution, CirculAir90. This recyclable air care system relies on airflow to move the fragrance oil throughout the room. Positioning CirculAir90 close to a door or HVAC vent allows the oil to disperse evenly rather than in one area. Be sure to install the dispenser on the wall within 3 feet of a door and 6 feet above the floor. To install using the wall anchor system, follow these steps. Open the dispenser and mark the drilling locations on the wall using the screw holes on the back of the dispenser. Drill into the marked locations using a 3mm bit. Install the wall anchors into the holes. Install the screws through the dispenser and into the wall anchors to complete the installation. To install using tape, follow these steps. Prep the plastic and wall surfaces with the provided alcohol pad. Apply the tape to the back of the dispenser and then install the dispenser onto the wall with the tape. Hold the dispenser in place for 60 seconds to complete. To activate the cartridge, start by twisting the base of the refill to the right about ½ inch until you hit the built-in stopping point. Place the refill on a flat surface and firmly press down on the refill's top until it collapses. To install the refill, line up the hole on the bottom of the refill with the peg on the base of the dispenser. Make sure the CirculAir90 logo is facing forward towards you so the dispenser can close properly. Enjoy fragrance for a full 90 days before utilizing your next refill. To remove the refill, insert the provided key into the keyhole on the base of the unit. Lift up and remove the refill. Discard in a designated recycling stream. RCP offers a variety of fragrance options. Be sure to try them all to find your favorite. To learn more, visit rubbermaidcommercial.com.